Understanding the phrase, "It pays dividends." Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, "It pays dividends." This expression is quite popular, and understanding it can really enrich your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. The phrase, "It pays dividends," is a metaphorical expression, originally from the financial world, where a dividend is a sum of money paid regularly by a company to its shareholders. This phrase has a broader meaning in everyday English. When we say something pays dividends, we mean that it brings additional or unexpected benefits over time. It's like making an investment in something and then receiving more in return than what was initially put in. You can use "it pays dividends" in various contexts. 1. Personal development. When talking about investing time in education, learning a new skill, or self-improvement, you can say, "Investing in your education always pays dividends." 2. Business and work. In a professional setting, this phrase can be used to highlight the long-term benefits of strategies or decisions. For example, providing excellent customer service pays dividends in customer loyalty. 3. Relationships and social interactions. When referring to the efforts put into building and maintaining good relationships, you might say, "Being kind to others pays dividends in friendship and support." Let's see how "it pays dividends" is used in sentences. 1. For personal health, exercising regularly pays dividends in terms of your overall health and well-being. 2. For career growth, taking the time to network and build professional relationships pays dividends in your career advancement. 3. In everyday life, practicing mindfulness pays dividends by improving your mental clarity and stress management. And that's a wrap on the phrase, "It pays dividends." Remember, when you hear or use this phrase, think of it as an investment in something that will bring additional benefits in the future. We hope this video has been informative and has added value to your English learning journey. Stay curious, keep learning, and see how your efforts pay dividends in your mastery of the English language.